Google has moved Android users toward Gemini as the main AI assistant, replacing Google Assistant for many everyday tasks. This major change brings a more conversational and intelligent experience, allowing users to ask follow-up questions, summarize information, brainstorm ideas, understand images, and get more detailed answers. Instead of relying mainly on traditional voice commands, Gemini is designed to understand the context of a conversation and provide more useful AI-powered responses. The shift from Google Assistant to Gemini on Android also changes how users interact with their phones. Gemini can help write messages, create content, answer complex questions, analyze photos, and connect with parts of the Google ecosystem. Its generative AI capabilities make it more suitable for tasks that require reasoning and natural language understanding, while familiar assistant features such as voice interaction remain an important part of the Android experience. So, is Gemini better than Google Assistant on Android? For users who want an AI assistant capable of handling complex questions and creative tasks, Gemini offers a much more advanced experience. However, some users may still miss the simplicity and reliability of Google Assistant for basic smart home controls, reminders, and quick commands. The transition marks a major step in Google's Android strategy, and raises an important question: is Gemini finally the smartest AI assistant for your Android phone?